Hi, I'm Alistair at Lazarus Training, and in this video we're going to look at the use of a SOF-TT tourniquet. So, as with all tourniquets, when would we use one? They're designed to be used to stop severe hemorrhage, catastrophic bleeding, whatever you want to call it, from a limb. The SOF-TT is a model that we've seen in a lot of people's first aid kits over the last few years. I've particularly seen these in police officers' first aid kits and in the kits used by firefighters for dealing with mass casualty situations. So the SOF-TT tourniquet is made up of a very tough material, quite like that because it means there's no Velcro. Velcro seems to be a magnet for dust, dirt, bits of sand and wood, etc. So this is a really good thing. It has a clip here, which is one of its kind of unique selling points, which can be undone. So perhaps if you need to loop the tourniquet around someone's limb, perhaps they're trapped, perhaps they're in a vehicle. The windlass rod on this tourniquet is made out of metal and is really kind of firm and strong. And one of the stranger, unique parts of this tourniquet is it's got this shape here, a triangle, sometimes referred to as a delta clip. Now the SOF-TT I have here is from the sort of second generation of them. There is a later generation that has got a hook here, and the latest ones that have come out are actually a little bit wider as well. So we can see Laura's got a severe wound to her lower leg. Let's say that it's pumping blood everywhere, it's catastrophically bleeding. I'm going to apply my tourniquet to stop it. And whilst I can see where the wound is, which means I could apply it close to it, we can't go into this area because it's close to the knee, so we're going to go a bit higher up. Some authorities say that you can go as high as you want and it has to be tight. We're going to go for about this area here so we avoid the knee. The SOF-TT tourniquet, I can disconnect it, pass it under the limb and reconnect the clip. I can then pull tight, and the tighter we pull the strap to begin with, the better. And once I'm happy it's tight, I then twist this until the blood stops. I can then lock it into this D-shaped triangle to secure the tourniquet. This tourniquet has a space here to mark the time of application, and I should endeavour to do that. It's important that the tourniquet is level around the limb so that it can apply the pressure correctly and be more effective. So for those of you that are looking for some information about how to use your SOF-TT tourniquet, I hope you've liked the video. Perhaps you could literally like it by doing the thumbs up. I mentioned in the earlier part of the video about how the tourniquet is quite difficult to self-apply, but there is a little trick. So we're planning to do a video about that for you in the future. So subscribe to make sure that you see all of our content, and do the notification thing as well, just to make sure you don't miss that upcoming video.